Hi, girls.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I don't know. I don't know. We were taking pictures a minute before.
Wait a minute. Which one is the doll and which one isn't?
This one's a doll and that purple one's a doll and this is Mia. Hi.
Let's see. Let's go in and see if it's really a doll. Poke it. Poke it. Does it cry? Pinch it. See if it cries. Does it cry?
No, it's
All
a
right.
doll.
Let's see. What's that? Pinch it. See if it cries. No crying. Pinch her. Let's see if she cries. No, pinch her, sister. Oh, okay, she's real. All right, she is real.
Do you like my headband that Eva let me borrow?
Yep.
For this one?
Yep.
Oh.
Yep.
I don't know what to call it.
It's called an outfit.
Outfit.
Mhm.
Look at Minnie hiding
Baby's looking
under
at you.
the chair. Hey.
All right, ladies, say goodbye.
Bye.
Say goodbye.
Look at Minnie.
Say goodbye.
Bye.